Hey now, I'm going to show you how these two indicators that cost $500 perform over a series of 100 trades, and all I ask is that you pet that subscribe button like you want to pet this kitten. I found these two studies while watching a YouTube video that claimed to be the best TradingView buy-sell indicator, and to the author's credit, he does give a 3-day free trial of his $500 indicator. So I took him up on his offer, gave him my TradingView username, and he granted me access to the script. There are some rudimentary instructions on his Instagram page that give some directions as how to use this indicator, but not a complete trading system. So as usual, I put together a complete trading system, and we will find out if this is the best indicator on TradingView. This system is called the Interstellar, and it uses two indicators that cost $500 plus 3 other TradingView free indicators. The first indicator are Heikin Ashi candles. This is a special type of candlestick the seller of Interstellar recommends you use. The second indicator is the ATR Bands, set to 5 times the ATR and colored in white. We are going to use the ATR to set our stop loss level. The third indicator is the 200 Exponential moving average. We are going to use this indicator for overall trend direction. The fourth indicator is the Interstellar Buy Sell. You cannot change any input settings, and we will keep the style at default. This will provide our trigger for entries. The final indicator is the Interstellar Trend. I am going to set the time frame 1 to 2 hours, time frame 2 to 4 hours, time frame 3 to 12 hours, and time frame 4 is going to be 1 day. For the style, I am just going to uncheck the last 2 plots representing time frames 5 and 6. This indicator will confirm our entries. Let's go over some examples. This chart is Ethereum versus Bitcoin 1-hour Heikin Ashi candles. The rule to enter along on the Interstellar system are: price is above the 200 EMA. Second, the Interstellar Trend indicator shows all green. Third, we get a buy signal on the Interstellar Buy-Sell indicator. This is our trigger. We place our stop at 5 times the ATR, which is this white band here, and target 1-to-1 for the first half of our position. When 1-to-1 is hit, we move our stop to break even and let the rest go to 2-to-1, and this one hits target 2. And now we flip to shorts. This is what I will test for shorts. Price to be below the 200 EMA. Second, the Interstellar Trend indicator shows all red. Third, we get a sell signal on the Interstellar Buy-Sell indicator. All of that converges on this candle here. This is our trigger. We place our stop at 5 times the ATR, which is this level here, and target 1-to-1 for the first half of our position. When 1-to-1 is hit, we move our stop to break even and let the rest ride to 2-to-1. And this one hits 2-to-1. After I review the results, I'm going to give this system a trader's landing score and provide some thoughts on making this strategy better. And now it's time to do what I do. Remember, this is just 100 tests on one instrument. If you're thinking of using this system, please do all the required testing and be sure to let our community know what you discover. Now let's review the test data and go over a couple of ideas on how to optimize this system. This test was done on Ethereum versus Bitcoin 1-hour candles. It took just over 6 months to find the 100 trades. The winning percentage here was a good 60%, with the gain on the account being 22.5%. The equity curve on here is quite erratic, and I'll go over why in a minute. Most of the equity curve is in a consolidation, and then it looks like a breakout at the end. I give this system a trader's landing score of 4 because the ways to optimize this system are not obvious, and the equity curve on here is just too erratic. Remember, the enemy of great is good. So how do we find the crumbs that make the system better? Since the seller of this indicator does not provide the exact method to trade, I just put one together. You may want to try this with another indicator, maybe a super trend, which I tested in this video. Second, you cannot configure the buy-sell indicator whatsoever. And the reason why the equity curve is so erratic is we get a lot of signals in a row. On this test, I took every signal, so you can see here there are a lot of trades you would not have taken because you would already be in a position. One point for optimization is to retest and not take setups if you are already in a trade. Check out this playlist for more profitable systems, and have a great day if you want to.